This week's top stories. Unilever has committed to cutting fossil fuels from their cleaning products. The company has pledged to make this transition by 2030, removing petrochemicals in favour of plant-based ingredients. The government's campaign to encourage people to return to workplaces has begun. However, the average weekday city footfall is still not increasing. And 50 of the biggest UK employers have no plans to return staff to the office full-time. Mitie has secured a £6 million contract with the Yorkshire Ambulance Service NHS Trust. The FM provider will deliver maintenance and engineering services for 100 sites across the region, including communications centres and offices for administrative staff.
For all the latest facilities and workplace management news, read more at TWinFM.com.